the project we're making today, making a leaning shelf. This is 2 pieces of wood glued together and then painted with house paint with primer that matches the wall. I added these 2 pieces on and then leaned the rest of them, so these are all able to move around. That's 7/8 will be right here, and do 7/8 right here. So that would be right here. So I'm gonna cut that at 7/8, and then I can always trim it down. So I'm gonna make a mark here and follow this. Just draw the and cut into the wood. There, you could do it in 2 because you're going with the grain of the wood. And then what I'm going to do is cut this piece off. Then I'll check and see how it fits in my room. Just cut this little piece of balsa, which is going to act as the lip on the leaning shelf, putting a little glue on here and placing it right on the edge. This will set up, and then I will prime it and paint. That will be the next step, and it'll go right into prime onto the wall. Use primer to paint this shelf. It's just house paint I put in a jar, and it's got paint and primer all in one. Just put a little bit. I use an artist brush and just take it and just paint the whole thing with it. Painting the underside right now. All the top is painted. Just finishing up this. I'm gonna measure this where I want to put the leaning shelf. I'm gonna go up 4 on both sides. Just put this right on the wall, flat here. And put a tick mark right here for 4, and then go across here and put one right there for 4. And then what I'll do is I'll just take the leaning shelf, test it here, and they'll go right up to those marks. Use the tacky glue. Works great. So I'll make sure I get anything that's extra off. Go right in here. And push it right in there and look for the little marks. Come up here a little bit. And then I'll just check it out. Then I touch up anything that needs to be touched up. I made the shelf match the wall. It's a flat, the wall's flat, the shelf is flat. I could put an enamel, but I want it to look good by just blending in 2 pieces in. So now what I'm gonna do is, like, if I wanted to go and put this piece in, I could do that and let it lean on the shelf and put a 3-dimensional piece in right there. And it won't fall because of the leaning edge. And then do like the cat there. And if I wanted the print to go in there, I could like lean a print in here that's not framed. So you could get creative and just add whatever you want and just move things around. Say it doesn't look right, just take that down. And this is, you can add things that you want to put in now and take them away and get creative. I think I'm just going to tie it up by just putting an extra floral in. Kind of bold and the colors together. And I would put another piece here, something small that even out the combination, maybe something 3-dimensional. And that's how you put a leaning shelf in. Very simple. It's 2 pieces of wood and some glue and paint that you might have around the house. My name's Lex. Like, subscribe. Thanks for coming. Thanks.